Hi there, this is Ben from harmonicamastery.com. Now, a question came up at the Q&A a couple of days ago, and a lot of my students play in ukulele groups. So the question was, how do I play a harmonica break in the ukulele song? Excuse me. So I've been to a few ukulele groups, and very often there's a break, a gap in the middle between the song, between verses perhaps. And I've seen harmonica players jump in there, and other musicians jump in there and play a little improvised solo. So what do you do if the tune is being played and then there's an instrumental gap? Well, by then you'll know what the tune is. So you'll know the tune title of the tune, you'll know the name of it, you'll know what key it's in, because you're already in this group, right? And you'll know what chords are being used. And that's going to give you the clue. So in the instrumental gap, you can either just play the tune, which you will already know, I think, or you can play some kind of improvised version of the tune, which should be nice. I think that would fit really well. Or what you could do is just do a complete improvisation. So how would you do a complete improvisation? Well, if the song is in C major, for example, if it finishes on a C chord, then it's likely to be in the key of C, but you'll know what key it's in anyway, and you can ask in the group. So probably the best thing to do would be to use the C major pentatonic scale as your improvising starting point. So ideally you'd be able to sing a pentatonic scale. So you have in your head, in your ears, on the hard drive, you have a knowledge of what that should sound like. Dum, da 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 dum. Those are your 5 notes of the pentatonic scale. Da 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 da. Then it repeats. Da da do do do. Do re mi so la. Is that right? Da 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 da. C D E G A. So try that scale first of all and see if that will fit. So if you've got the tune in mind and you're thinking of trying to play roughly the tune but using a pentatonic scale to go around it and get the feeling of the scale, you'll know the rhythm already, so you'll know the context. Do do do. Say it so, Susanna. Do 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 do. So you might be able to find something by just using the 5 notes of the pentatonic scale as a starting point. It might not sound terribly interesting, but it might be just spot on. If the song was in a minor key, say it was in D minor, for example, if you were playing, I don't know, Scarborough Fair or something like that, or St James Infirmary Blues, which could be in D minor or E minor or A minor, then you need a minor pentatonic. So those are the notes that are really going to help you. So if you've got that in your head, be able to sing. You should be able to sing a minor pentatonic and sing a major pentatonic. Da 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 do da da. Same 3 notes as Smoke on the Water starts, I was told. Bum 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 ba dum. Do do da 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 da. So can you try and memorize those 5 notes? Do 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 da. Do 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 da do 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 da do 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 dum. and then try and work something out from that, just using those notes, only those notes. Try that, see how that works. And that should give you a good flavour. Again, you want to play the tune or something that sounds like the tune. So that's a good way of improvising. So I think that is how you could approach playing an instrumental break, a harmonica break in a ukulele song. So I hope that helps, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.